back to my channel. Now today we're going to be talking about hair care. Now I've actually been on this journey trying to let my hair grow as long as possible right now and as healthy as possible. So I'm actually going on my second year doing this hair care routine. So I'm actually going to give you guys a couple tips that I think that works out pretty well. It actually worked out with me. Hopefully it will work out with you guys as well. So my hair is actually pretty long. It's actually, I want to say like up to like my hips right now. I want to get it a little bit longer, and also I want to get it to a point that it doesn't break that easily because my hair is a little thin, so it does break pretty easily. So my hair is kind of like frizzy and wavy. It's not too curly, it's a little bit more wavy. Definitely has some frizz in it. So what I like to do is I try to stay away from a lot of heat as possible. Sometimes I'll pick maybe a day during the week and I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna straighten my hair just for this week, and then I'll leave it on for the rest of the week. Like, I won't touch it whatsoever. Or if I have a special occasion, then I might curl my hair or things like that. But I usually leave my hair pretty natural. What I like to do is kind of wash my hair and then I let it air dry. I don't put no blow dryer towards it whatsoever. I kind of put a little bit of frizz taming like serum. I actually don't have that here with me. I run it through my hair and then I let it air dry, braid, and then I go to sleep with it like that. So then the next day when I wake up, my hair is kind of like wavy, and that's basically how my hair is naturally. So let's see, tip number one that I'm actually gonna give you is actually pretty crazy, but it does help a lot, is drink a lot of water. Water is really good for the skin, for the hair, for just so many benefits. I know when I drink a lot of water, my hair feels a lot healthier, and I do notice that it looks a lot shinier as well, and it kind of grows better as well. So that is actually my first tip. Tip number two, of course, try to stay away from a lot of heat as possible. I'm talking about, I know a lot of us like to use a lot of heat in our hair, or our hair is pretty unmanageable without the heat. But like I said, just try to do it at least once a week, and the other days just try to put your hair up in a bun or a ponytail or things like that. That really does help. So tip number three, whenever you do decide to put it up in a ponytail, try to use a scrunchie. It's actually pretty crazy because these things were very popular back then when I was young. Then they were unpopular and now they resurfaced. But these are actually pretty good because they're soft and they don't tug your hair or pull or break your hair off. So I really like using these lately. Scrunchies, those are really good. So I'm actually gonna go in with a couple of other tools as well. So for instance, this little wet brush right here, I really like using it whenever I wash my hair. So what I like to do is I grab the ends and then I start combing through, and then I work my way up. I know a lot of people, they usually start from the top and then try to take out the knots like that. That's not how you do it. You're actually creating a bigger knot and you're actually damaging your hair a lot. So you want to work from the bottom into like little sections and then work your way up. That is a great one. Another great too, and I actually like to do this, I actually make my husband do this a lot. He actually loves this little thing. It's like one of those little head massagers. These things are very, very inexpensive. So these little things are very inexpensive. I found this one at the Dollar Tree for $1. You can find them anywhere around there. So basically what you do is you kind of massage the scalp, and what it does is stimulates blood flow to the scalp, and then it helps your hair grow. Oh my god, this thing feels so good. It gives you the best massage and like the tickles. Basically, whenever you feel like those little tickles, that's when you know it's working. But after a while, whenever you do it to yourself, you kind of are used to it. So you don't feel like those little tickles. So it's actually best to have a partner or somebody else do it for you. It really does work. I know my husband usually takes this away and he'll do it for his head, which I don't know why he doesn't let his hair grow, but he loves this little thing, so I kind of make him do it for me. A tip that is actually great is actually drinking collagen or any kind of vitamins, especially the ones that are for your hair, your skin, and your nails. Those are really good. The collagen that I've been actually taking lately is this collagen peptides right here. So what I like to do is I grab a scoop of this and then I put it into my smoothie or even my coffee. It doesn't taste like anything whatsoever, but it actually works really good, and it also helps support your joints, which is amazing. Because as us, we are getting older, or we're probably exercising or things like that, and then a lot of the times we feel our joints being pretty sore and stuff like that. So that one right there is pretty good. I'm actually gonna have a link down below. I usually get it at Target. It's a little pricey, but so is a lot of other collagen pills and things like that. Alright, so the next thing that I'm actually going to talk about is, of course, your shampoo, your conditioner, and also a hair mask. Now, I'm going to show you two of the main shampoos and conditioners that I've been using for the past year, and I really do love it. The first one is from Shea Moisture. It's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It helps strengthen and restore. This right here is really good. The first time I found it, I was kind of like, it looks a little gooey or whatever. Like, I thought it wasn't gonna be good, but this thing smells so good. It's not gooey whatsoever, and it really does work wonders for my hair. Another great brand out there is the Mane and Tail one. This is actually really good. I like to buy the one that says deep moisturizing, deep moisturizing, because my scalp is really dry. I'm telling you, as soon as I wash my hair, like, I can see the flakes because it's so dry, and it really gets bad during the winter. So I like to buy anything that has moisture in it. It really helps my hair as well. So I like to buy the shampoo and the conditioner. This is the one that I bought lately, is the conditioner for thick, healthier looking hair. That's this one, and then this one is for dry, damaged hair. So there's two different kind of variations of this kind of shampoo. So you guys can just pick whichever one you guys like or need. And then I also, like I said, I like doing mask. The one that I have here is from Shea Moisture as well. It's kind of a hydrating mask. Or sometimes I like to do a oil treatment on my hair, like coconut oil or olive oil, or even this other kind of mask that I like to use, hemp seeds. It really does help your hair grow. I think I'm gonna show you guys, if I can, I will have like a little clip of it here, or not, I will upload a tutorial of how you do it. So yeah, that's basically all my tips. It's pretty simple, but as long as you follow these tips, it's actually going to help your hair grow longer and stronger, because you're not doing too much to it. Oh, another thing is, try not to dye your hair too much. Try not to put so much chemicals in your hair, because it really does hurt your hair in the long run. So kind of try to go a little bit natural. I know for a lot of us it's pretty hard, but I'm telling you, a lot of people like the whole natural look nowadays. So just try it out. I bet you it'll look nice. So yeah, this is actually all the tips that I have for trying to let your hair grow. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.